Students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine with your parents at your home. Now, today we are going to finish our 2 3 lecture. I will finish your course, that is your science subject, and this is the last chapter of your whole the syllabus. That name is garbage in garbage out, and here we will have some kind of the also clip art by which you will enjoy within the presentation, as well as you will make a more understanding about this chapter. Now what happened here, we will have some journal discussion about the garbage in, garbage out, and what we are going to discuss in this chapter. We are going to discuss about what is garbage, types of the different kind of the garbage, and that garbage is how this garbage is essential to collect a particular place, and what are the advantage and disadvantage of garbage in, garbage out, and one things which how these garbage are also decomposed by physical or chemical method. We will have some kind of the also discussion. Overall, all these chapter is very general chapters. There is a many things which you already know as a general human being of the country of India. So let us start with the chapters, and we are going to start this chapter by introduction of the garbage in, garbage out. And these pictures that you can see here, that is already talk about the garbage in, garbage out. Now, the garbage in, garbage out is basically from these pictures. You can, there are the different kind of the pictures which you can clearly observe what is garbage and what kind of the different kind of the garbage are given. Now here this presentation is start with the GIGO. GIGO is garbage in, garbage out. The garbage in, garbage out means the kind of the garbage that can we have to reuse, and there is are there different kind, another kind of the garbage which cannot be used again and again. That's why that kind of the garbage should be out of the home. Now here there is a garbage in, that picture shows that this kind of the things that are used uh, is that kind of the garbage which is used, but there are the some kind of the garbage that is not usable, and that should be um, out of the home. Now, GIGO is used in IT, means garbage in, garbage out is used in IT. IT means information technology and mathematics also. This is the little bit information is also given you to more make more understanding, and there is a kind of the garbage which can be used for the collection by, so that we can use this garbage for the beneficial purpose, and there is a garbage that cannot be used again, that should be out of the. And here what you can see, whether the garbage in or equivalent to the garbage out, no, it is not there. Garbage is cannot be equivalent to garbage out. Now there are the another there is a history, misinformation, and wrong assumptions about the garbage in and garbage out. That's why these things shows that peoples of India are not aware which kind of the garbage can be kept, or which kind of the garbage can throw out from our house. Now here there is a some kind of the things are shown in this picture, which is a you can see that all these garbage are not cannot be thrown, but there is a misleading report by which um, you are not able to understand what kind of the garbage you can reuse and what kind of the garbage you have to um, uh, throw out from your home. So little bit information is understand we have to understand what is first we have to understand what is garbage, and then again the by the seeing the nature of the garbage, we have to collect in a particular at a particular kind of the dustbin, and collect that garbage by which we can either it can be reused or it can be thrown out for the different purpose. Now these information are given here, and by this you can understand very clear. Now what happened here, now here we are going to discuss what is actually the garbage. In these pictures you can also see they are there are the pictures which you can see here. All these pictures somewhere it is all these are some kind of the garbage the peoples, but the peoples are not aware which kind of the garbage is to get inside, and which kind of the garbage is get outside. Now this kind of the misconception and misleading things are we in our mind. So we have to understand what is garbage, and again we will have to what kind of the garbage we have to put in our house, and reuse that kind of the garbage. But there are the different kind of the another kind of the garbage which cannot be used again reused, and that things should be uh, get outside. Now, what happened here, to understand more what is garbage, when we talk about what is garbage, so all the waste materials and household waste produced on a daily basis are termed as a garbage. Means any kind of the waste materials and household waste produced on a daily. There are the different kind of the household waste produced on a daily basis, and these daily basis household waste produced are and waste materials are basically as a garbage. Now here the garbage, the different waste of garbage contain peels of the vegetables, fruits, leftover cooked food product, waste paper, and the plastic material, and many other waste items. There are the different kind of the, you can see from here the different wastage of garbage, and these wastage of garbage is very well known whenever we use the potatoes and another kind of the vegetables by where we pull out the peels of vegetables, and that peels are basically a kind of the waste material, and that waste material is basically a the called as a garbage. And there is a fruit, and the fruits peel is also garbage, and the seeds of that fruits is also some fruits contain seeds, and that seeds is also some kind of the waste material. And there are the some kind of the food which are left after finishing the food by the after taking the meal by the household person. There are the some materials are left over, and that materials again becomes a waste product for the household people. So these materials are basically comes under the garbage. Now The waste is any kind of the substance which is discarded after a primary use. As already told, in case of the if we have a in any family, if all the food, if all the members have taken their meal, and if there is a food are left over, then that leftover food is actually known as a discarded. And discarded means it is a kind of the waste, and it is a worthless, defective, and of no use. That means at that time these kind of the food becomes worthless, defective, and of no use of that kind of the food. So it is the about the what kind of the garbage, and under that garbage, if we are talking about the waste material, then we have to understand all the collection of the waste is basically a garbage. But individually if you talk about, that is not going to used that things again, then it consider as a waste product, and that waste product become a garbage for the household activities. There are the two types of waste, as already told in the initial previous slide, that the wastes can be like they can be again the recycle. That kind of the things are basically called as a um non-biodegradable wastes, and there is a kind of the biodegradable wastage, as it is clearly here. Just you the definition you can also have in the next slide. We have a definition of the biodegradable and non-biodegradable, but for make you more understanding, like as in the previous slide I told that the biodegradable, that the wastage like peel of the vegetable and fruits, that if we put on the that mix on the soil, that gets destroyed in the soil after some period of time. And if the wastes can destroy by their chemical process, when it put under the ground, then that kind of the wastes are called as a biodegradable waste. Like if you put foods on a particular place, after sometimes that foods are due to the some chemical process, that chemical and biological process, that foods gets converted into biomass. So it is a kind of the waste which converted into different kind of the products, which converts into the manure kind of the things. That kind of the waste are basically called as a biodegradable wastage. But there are some other wastes like plastic and the electronic gadgets, that cannot be the biodegradable, because if we put these kind of the um, wastage on the ground, after period of time they are not destroying by chemical and physical process, so it is non biodegradable waste. And this kind of the waste are basically cannot be utilized for the beneficial purpose. So this kind of the wastes are used for the land filling. Wherever uh, there is a some kind of the um, there is some kind of the space on the earth, then that to cover that space on the earth, these kind of the biodegradable non-biodegradable substances are used for uh, the giving the hardness to the earth. So it is the utility of non-biodegradable and biodegradable wastes are basically kind of the waste which is always utilized for making a manure. So it is all about the garbage in garbage out, and just introduction of the chapters what is the garbage, and the types of the what is waste and the types of the waste. These things I have discussed here. In the next class we will talk about the in detail about the biodegradable waste and non biodegradable waste, where we will discuss the different kind of the examples. After that we have more discussion about how these biodegradable wastes can be decomposed by the vermicomposting. So we will talk about these things in the next class. Till the time you are consider as a to you are considered as a that whatever the knowledge given to you, that knowledge are sufficient to make more understanding. You read the book as well as you go through these kind of the presentation. So it is all about today's topic. We will have a in the next class we will have the detailed discussion about biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage. Till the time you enjoy with your parents and do all the kind of the uh, these study activities which is very relevant in this time, and I sure that you will have that kind of the guts to complete all these kind of the work. So enjoy with your study. Thank you for today's session.